You've been faithful, Lord.
I should get your full outfit, right?
Yeah?
I should get your full outfit.
From the ages past.
You can cut small.
Yeah, I get.
That is why your name, Olúwa,
So today we just decided to go denim on denim.
the moon.
My denim they cry.
You have been
Where is the name they cry?
My denim no be the same color. They cry. They come out tears.
faithful.
But still representing. I just came to church to have a nice time. Thank you for coming closer because you know they hear me. So came to church to have a nice time in God's presence. You know, so it's been a wonderful feeling. Now they try go church sometimes. You know, fly, go to church, preach the good news with your housemates. Every time we will get suits can't tire me and say okay make I go denim. So sometimes you have to give God thanks. Everything I want to finish from my mouth.